Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. These people over there, well, them over there, they are doing fireworks, and I don't like it. It's scaring my dogs. They're in there probably peeing their pants. It scared me. It keeps on scaring me. I don't know that they're coming. Oh God, they need to stop. I mean, like, they're beautiful and stuff, but don't do fireworks near my neighborhood. My dog's freaking scared. And storms aren't enough for her and my dog and the cats and the pigs, you know. Even my Nana's dogs and cats and whatever she has is scared. Well, except for Maddie. She's the littlest dog. She's not the youngest, she's just the littlest. And she doesn't even care, just, please don't. Like, my God, please. Okay? It scares me for the loud ones. And them, kinda. Like that. That scared me. Really? They're doing fireworks too over there. Oh, they need to freaking stop. Well, they're okay. They're not doing anything like high. I can't see theirs. I only seen their sprinklers. I hope they're not gonna like shoot it up in the air. I hope they're not doing what they're doing. Please, just pray for me. Pray for me that my dog's gonna make it through all this. She's freaking scared. And I don't like it. Just please don't do fireworks near me. What? I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh. And just please don't do fireworks near my neighborhood. My dog's scared of them. Please, just don't. Okay? Just don't. You can do sprinklers and stuff. They aren't as loud as they are doing and the ones behind my Nana's, but still. Just don't do anything but like them little, like them little ones. Just do the little ones. Oh, here comes a big one. I think that it already went off. No? Dang. There was also fireworks over there. Over there. Last night. Just please, I'm begging you, give a prayer for me and just please. Just bang on, please. Make a prayer for me and don't do any like loud fireworks or like big ones near my house or in my neighborhood or the neighborhoods beside. Just please don't. They scare my dog and she's just like, ugh. She's super hard to take care of. She's like a very nice dog. She's super calm, but whenever it comes to fireworks and storms, she can send some. Yep, there goes another one. Just please don't. Okay? So give it an old thumbs up if you agree on me. Okay? Give me a thumbs up. Please. And sorry I haven't been doing no intros. I keep on changing my name, even though my name's Leslie Wimburn. That's my mom's name. I want to change it so bad, but I don't know how. Okay, so here's my out name. My YouTube name is now gonna be Alex Gamer. Alex Games. Like, I'm a girl, but still. I'm sorry if Alex Games has already been taken. Just, it's my name now. Alex is another YouTuber. go check out his channel. I can't do it in the description below because YouTube doesn't like me, you know? Just hates me. And as you know, well, just please don't do big fireworks and very, very loud fireworks near my neighborhoods, or the neighborhood behind me, or the neighborhood in front of me. Just please don't. Remember, okay? Never do that, okay? And if you forget, just watch this video and over again every single day of July and right now. Please, just don't. If you live near Watkins Avenue or on Watkins Avenue, or like you're like my neighbors, just please don't. Cause like if you're like one of my neighbors that's, you know, like right beside me, or that side of me, or that side of me, or right there, or right there, well, just please don't. My dog will flip for the hills. Just please don't. As you know, I'm Alex Gates, and I'm out. Sorry. See?